came back, she backpedaled and she said, you didn't see this part, she said,
I see him. I see him, baby.
And Puffy, I love you too. I adore that we're the last.
Then you can't go downstairs. Come back in here.
Puffy. I don't like
Come here, Peanut. You can't go outside to beat him. They'll beat you up real bad.
Like don't tell me about you, Diddy. I know you guys Puffy. That's it.
Ain't no need to. He keep on jumping down like he finna run out there and do something. Peanut, you can't see him out there.
First of all, Ben Affleck gave
He
me
jumps
$5
up on my
million
counter, got it all scratched up.
What a beautiful Gone with the
Where they at?
Wind
There they are.
in Georgia. I put you on and we did the video together. We paraded on the red
You should have been doing that last night when they was stealing my lion.
Me? Die.
She keep both of those. They so huge. They stay. Both of them stay in the house.
Even like he's not the marrying kind.
Oh, they hear him now.
They've got kids. Die,
Oh. Look, they looking up at the window for you, Peanut. Look. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He see you now, baby. He's up close to the fence trying to find you. Oh, he gone now. They gonna catch you one day. They gonna get him. They gonna get him one day.
He's the host of Billy on the Street. He's so funny, you'll have a hard time catching your breath.